More news coming in. We are shifting focus back to what's happening in Parliament as far as the showdown is concerned. It's a dustbin protest by opposition MPs in Parliament premises. MPs up in arms against the poll roll revision. Rahul Priyanka Gandhi lead the opposition march in Sansad, as you can see in these pictures. Opposition MPs hold no SIR placards at this Lok Sabha has been adjourned. Protest ranges on as we speak. What is on your screens at this point in time is what really looks like a laundry bag of sorts, doubling up as a dustbin essentially for these MPs who are putting, in fact, some of those placards, tearing that up and putting it in that dustbin.
मैडम
Alright, at this point in time, we have pictures coming in right now of a protest which is being carried out. It continues essentially at the Parliament. This is right outside the Parliament to tell our viewers that the Lok Sabha was adjourned as well. No SIR protests, and they're tearing up those placards as well that they were holding, those posters they were holding, putting it into what is being used as a dustbin by these MPs. Aishwarya getting in more details on that story. Aishwarya, the opposition is unrelenting on this one, isn't it?
Well, definitely, Sneha, we have seen what the opposition believes and some of the top leaders. In fact, you also saw those viral visuals where Sonia Gandhi also was standing at the stairs of the Makar Dwar and protesting against SIR. So this is something which we have not been seeing very often over the past many years. But yes, Sonia Gandhi also was standing there, and she said, which basically means that the Congress party is now saying that SIR is something that they will be speaking against. On the other side, Sneha, we have the Election Commission of India, which has been saying that all these parties were actually asking for the fake voters, those names to be deleted. Now when that is happening, we are seeing these kind of protests taking place right inside the Parliament. The opposition believes this is just the beginning. We will have these kind of names being cut. The Election Commission on the other side is saying that these are not names that are being cut. These are names of people who are either dead, some people who have been voting not just at one place but at different places, and some people who have actually permanently shifted out. So these are the numbers that we are looking at. Close to 40 lakh, that's the number that we are seeing in Bihar. The opposition demanding that first and foremost there should be a talk about what SIR is on the floor of the Parliament. The government has been saying that this is something that we do not want to do. The elections are being held by the Election Commission of India. How can a discussion happen on the floor of the Parliament? But even if you want it, then there has to be a proper procedure for it. You cannot be protesting for it. The opposition believes that Bihar is just the beginning. West Bengal, the state of Kerala, the state of Tamil Nadu, crucial states for the Bharatiya Janata Party. Those are the states where we will see the SIR being done in months to come. Sneha.
All right, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Aishwarya getting in those details at this point in time. A series of reactions also that have been coming in. Let's take a listen.
ये SIR एक साधारण चीज नहीं, ये लोकतंत्र की हत्या हो रही है। लड़ाई जो लड़ी गई थी देश की आजादी की, इसीलिए तो हम अपनी सरकार बनाए भारत की जनता, और भारत की जनता का जो अधिकार है लोकतंत्र का वो छीना जा रहा है। वोट का राइट, वोटबंदी, हम इसके लिए हर स्तर पर लड़ाई लोकतांत्रिक ढंग से जारी रखेंगे।
SIR इस देश के मतदाताओं के वोट को काटने का, लूटने का, डिलीट करने का एक यंत्र है, इसीलिए आज पूरा अपोजिशन इकट्ठा हुआ और उसने एक डस्टबिन रखी और उसमें एसआईआर जिस पोस्टर पे लिखा हुआ है उसे फाड़ करके उस डस्टबिन में डाला। सरकार को भी ये करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आप लाखों मतदाताओं को उनके अधिकार से वंचित नहीं कर सकते। आपका पहला निशाना बिहार है। इससे पहले आपने महाराष्ट्र में एक प्रयोग किया और लूट की सरकार बना ली। अब बिहार में वही प्रयोग करना चाहते हैं। विपक्ष एकजुट है, हम लूटने नहीं देंगे।
एसआईआर का बात जो अभी उठ रहा है, रोहिंग्या बांग्लादेशियों और घुसपैठियों का बात जो अभी उठ रहा है, हम बोलना चाहते हैं कि अगर यही सच है, इलेक्शन कमीशन की लगता कि यही सच है, तो पिछले साल जब 2024 का इलेक्शन हुआ तब क्यों ये बात नहीं उठाया गया? उसी वोटर लिस्ट पे जीत के मोदी जी प्रधानमंत्री बने तो उनको पहले रेजिग्नेशन देना चाहिए, उसके बाद ये सब बात उठाना चाहिए।